Jared Snyder. I have Called Coffee Company in Anniston, Alabama, and we've been in business.
Yeah, Joe on the Go Coffee Co. is in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, home to the.
So Luke Pruitt with Hardy Coffee Company here in Omaha, Nebraska, and we just hit 15 years.
We're just about to open our third cafe here in about a month.
Hey, this is Chris DeFurio with Keys to the Shop. I really hope that you take the time right now to apply to the key holder coaching groups. Follow the link below. These testimonials are very common with our groups because of the way that they're run and the kind of community that's born from the meetings that we have, the content of those meetings, and the mutual support that is designed into the key holder coaching groups. So again, if you're a coffee shop owner and you want to be a part of something like this, it could be the right thing at the right time for you and your business to grow.
I originally wanted to join because as a new business owner, I was kind of in a rough spot. The appeal of this particular workshop was that it was, for cafe owners. So for me, that was a really a big reason why I wanted to be a part of the group.
I had started to listen to Keys to the Shop. I would take late evening, afternoon walks and was looking for a podcast. I thought, is there a podcast that kind of speaks my language in being a cafe owner who doesn't have a lot of cafe knowledge and was just hungry for more? When I heard there was the opportunity to be part of the Keyholder Coaching Group, it just felt like a natural next step if we truly wanted to grow our business, grow ourselves as leaders, to be a true shopkeeper, and actually hold keys to the shop.
So a couple reasons. We had that relationship, like you said, you had consulted a little bit, and I was really impressed with the consulting you tailored, what we needed specifically for us. So I knew the kind of information I was going to get in a group with you was going to be not generic. I wanted something that was going to really make a difference, things that I could really use.
What I really probably needed more than I recognized is I needed to talk to peers that were experiencing the same challenges and struggles that I was, that had some answers, but also gave me the reassurance that, hey, even other people that look like they have it figured out are still having some challenges with the same types of things that you're struggling with.
We weren't really desperate to make any changes, but I also felt like I was inexperienced. I still feel that way most days, still learning, of course. But it really helped me dial in those systems and build confidence.
In order to grow, I had to grow my mindset. So that was really why I joined it. I really needed other owners and coaching basically to get my mindset in the right spot. It's hard to do it kind of on your own. And even though I have Nori, we're kind of bouncing the same ideas off each other. And so I just needed other people, other minds to kind of come around me. So that's why pushed me to do it.
So I was really just looking for that group of people that are like-minded, that are in the trenches, that are able to help what I was, kind of feel what I was feeling, and, just being in the same place with people that are also where I'm at. So that was kind of what really drew me into it.
So follow the link, apply today, and maybe we'll see you in our next Keyholder coaching group.